I'm a bust down giving mermaid. Is your granny or your mother never clear up your hair so like a cat?
Running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever come, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately,
Oh my god, why we look so crazy today? It's wash day anyways, so we are gonna get this hair wash and install a wing. Make me see if we can pull it off. I don't think I can pull it off. I don't believe in them in the truth. I don't believe in them. I'm gonna go wash my hair and install a wig and see if the girl can nyam up that. Let's wash our hair, child. What do you guys use to wash your hair? I use Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. So that's what I'm going to use to get it washed and smelling good. The water go cold. The water is gonna be so cold. Alright, so we're going in with some shampoo. You're all up in that good stuff.
but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I want that.
Alright, we're going in with some more. The ear no wash. We have to put the color. So we're using a big one.
Impact that we grown now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, go to waste. I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate. You got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew right from the start there was no limit to you, and I'm catching feelings, baby.
Conditioner. What the fuck? Right. What the hell? So cold. And if I want thing about Tresemme conditioner, it smells so good.
This ain't a dream. You're here with me. Boy, you don't get no better than you. For you, I wanna take my time all night. I wanna love you in every kind of way. I wanna please you, no matter how long it takes. If though I should end tonight, then we're only here today. I'm gonna go.
Jesus good. Anyways, guys, I'm actually happy to take one shower though, so I'll see y'all when I take my shower. If your granny or your mother never tie up your hair so like a cat, when you're a baby, you cannot talk to me. If them never tie up on the head like this, like a cat upon him, them just washing the ear when a size. We ain't no size, okay? When a size. Alright, so be I go. Oh my god. Take this. No, I see disaster under this no. Alright, it need to blow dry. So me I go do that right now. Get it blow dry. Inches. Breathe. I say you can't ramp. Joe, you're not ramp too. Can you make Joe? Alright, see the guys in cheese food. Yes. Mr. Be favor, Charlene Monk. Lord God, queen. up at the glue now and the things then, but you see this? Look at that. Well body there. We gotta add the glue and so. The whole favorite mascot. Alright guys, so me go put on the band pan it now. Band for your hour that them say.
Holding it down for me. I know you're good in the hood, but a couple just me, yeah. Wait, I'm really low.
Guys, me really a struggle with the baby ear. My kusti oil come out. I'm struggle. Me go bang. My pussy have this milk now. You're crazy. Girl out here just a what? Lace wear, where? Don't show me it. Show me! Woo! My parents a triangle that. Guys, you say I was worried about these edges, but look like it's come out to the top to me. I show you. Ooh!
Spaghetti still come up for me. Your best to make me feel lovely. When I go where you still think of me. I need to know for sure. Cause you got potential. You got potential.
Alright, this is the final review. Let's see. Guys, I'm in love. I ate this one down. What? So cute. Now my boss down giving mermaid. I can't believe I did this show. Clock it. Yes. Yes. We get in there. If you don't have any wig you want to promote, no send me because we see it there. You can do our own wig. What? Yes. So it's Tuesday and I just picked up my phone from Friday. Sometimes some things do occur in life. You have to take a drawback and really think and be grateful. You know that God has really given you another opportunity. I will try to be very transparent on this channel as much as I can because it's not every day life is going to be a glitter goal, or it's not every day thing is going to go in your way or in your platform. So sometimes we are gonna have a rough day, sometimes we're gonna have a bad day, and sometimes we're gonna have a sad days. And that this Easter weekend was one of it for me. It was one of my sad weekends. It's something I would never want to relive again, so I wouldn't even go with it. I'm not going to go too in-depth with it because it's not something I want to constantly be reminded or remind the person about. But what I'm truly grateful for is that we didn't have any untimely death. We don't have no bad injuries. So that's something I'm really happy for. And let me tell you this, guys. You see, life, don't ever take life for granted because you can be here in a split second and by me snap my finger like this, you're gone. Don't take life for granted. Anyway, we not dwell upon the sad side, but just cook some bust down curry. So that is what I am going to have for dinner right now because I'm hungry and I need to get something to fill my stomach. So that's what we're gonna be having right now. And the hair looks so bad same way. It did one little all done and so but me just like it. Anyways, I'm hungry, so we are gonna eat something now, okay? but I just wanted to update y'all. Yeah, guys, so what I'm gonna have for dinner, guys. So as I told you, it's curry chicken, veggies, and mixed vegetable rice. So that's what I'm gonna have for dinner. The only person with sweet up with our bed, because I know I'm not the Lulu, I'm in a crazy. But me love put on my perfume, my nice lotion, good lotion for my bed, because I like smelling sweet going to my bed. Are you guys like that as well, or am I just the Lulu? Which one? Which one? Oh, this is from Bath and Body. This is called Covered in Roses. We could go far, go the distance. I could see it. I'm not trying to be out of my hopes up. If you're over me, then let me know what's up. Don't change about me in a long way. You got potential. And then we are going to use Dreamy Apple from Victoria's Secret for the center. I mean, you look so crazy. I'm going to know every girl will install them wig. Then I'm going to drop on them headband for the garden bed. That me, I try to secure the edges, them when I pull up long time. Really crazy, huh? Alright. So I'm going to twist this up, yeah. I'm not really at the time. I'm not in the mood. I just want to go lie down. Because I had a long day, so I just want to go lie down, okay? Whoop-oo. Oh my God. Mistake, guys. I'm going to want to do a story time. Tell me why. I got an email that my package was at the warehouse, but me with my dumb self never read the email good. Run go for the shipping company today, ready to go collect package. She said, Miss Newman, the package is not available yet. It's at the warehouse. And I said, so say ready. That's when I go back go read the email, guys. Warehouse. My name really good. I was so excited to get that package. Like, my name really good. This is definitely a realistic night routine. I what me do with my week before I go to my bed. Literally. But me did feel stupid because then me waste my money. But me I go a shipping company and I know package needed it. Super crazy. Had a few niggas body down for me. Tell me, baby, will you slide for me? Eat the Glock 40, holding it down for me. I know you're good in the hood, but a couple just me, yeah. When I'm really low, will you still cover for me? Doing best to make me feel lovely. When I go where you still think of me. I need to know for sure. Cause you got potential. Good night, my lady. Raw. This is raw. Anybody knows it. Definitely what a person would do before they got in bed for true. But I'm not gonna sleep right now. I'm gonna go actually watch one show on Netflix, sorry. So yeah. But they're my favorite scents. On the low, me alone, me gonna knock my little powder in my chest. boy. Guys, we're not even not gonna waste no time no more right now because yay, this vlog is definitely gonna close out right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you really love the video, give it a thumbs up. Engage in the comment section. Tell a friend, and I'll see you on the next one.